You are going to love the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, traction control, navigation system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
DeMontrond wants to serve our community while protecting our valued customers and employees.
So we're announcing DeMontrond Direct for sales and service through DeMontrond.com.
Shop from home, finance from home, and have your vehicle picked up and delivered directly to your driveway.
Also, take advantage of historic customer incentives from all of our great brands.
And with DeMontrond's no questions asked 3-day return policy, your complete satisfaction is guaranteed.
And don't forget about DeMontrond's exclusive warranty forever.
DeMontrond.com, your safe and convenient auto solution.